Okay, I'm just getting off work, and it's gonna be fun. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to my friend's house. She usually sells food and on Fridays. And whoops, what did I do with my key? Okay. She sells foods on Fridays. Uh-oh. What did I do with my key? That never happens because I'm doing this video right here. So hold on. All right. Hold on. That never happens to me. This is the very first time I'm doing a video on my car, and then I end up, you know, putting away my key in the wrong place. Okay, so let's see. Hold on. Let me show you what I'm gonna take her. I'm gonna take her one of these soap products. Okay. It's right here. I bought her one of the products from Rain International, a whole box. So, and instead of her paying me, she did pay me part of the money, but she's going to pay me with food for the other part of the money. So let's get going. My wife was calling me. She wanted me to hurry up, but I think because she didn't have the key to go home, and I thought maybe she was trying to rush me so she can eat, because her food is pretty good. She's Jamaican, and she makes the best Jamaican food that I have ever tasted. So let's get going. This thing shakes. Okay, maybe it looks like I'm gonna have to buy something better than this because it shakes too much. Okay. Wow. Look at the tree. The tree fell down. We had to put cones around. Yeah. All right. I'm really looking forward to eat her food, because her food is really good. Okay, let's cut off the video now, and hopefully we can videotape some more later.